If you're looking for the best sink strainer, check out this one I just purchased from Amazon. This is the WokDada. It's a revolutionary sink strainer. And I'm gonna share with you why this one is different than all of the rest. And let's test it out. Okay, so this is what the strainer looks like. And if you notice, this is not a solid strainer material. This is actually chain. So this is actually supposed to be much easier to clean out because look, if all that food goes in there and then I take this out and then I just dump it, that's so much easier than trying to scrape it out of a little metal strainer like I've done in the past with other ones. Now, all of that food right there, I just pulled out of my garbage disposal. I've really needed one of these. Recently, I just did a video on how to clean your garbage disposal. And in that video, I actually shared a whole bunch of food that I pulled out of there. And then it made me realize, oh my gosh, I really need a strainer to catch all of those little pieces of food. This is what I have normally in there, and this is good because it actually blocks a lot of the sound of the garbage disposal, but I definitely need something like this on top to catch all of that food. So let's see how good this works. Let's see if I spray all that food. I'm wondering if it gets caught on the lip or if it goes directly in. Okay, it's going in pretty good with just this, and I could use my hand to push the rest of that in there. Okay, now the moment of truth. Look, it caught all that food. Now for the video's sake, I'm just gonna dump it right here so you can see. Wow, look at, I just did that once and all of it came out. That was so easy to clean. And I haven't checked yet, but I'm guessing this could probably go in the dishwasher if it started to get really disgusting. So check out the link in the description of this video of where you can purchase this WokDada sink strainer. This is so huge. This is such a time saver. You don't have to scrape all the food out of your sink strainer once you've collected it. And it fits perfectly in my drain right there. And if you found this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for even more kitchen tips and tricks. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.